Star topology. Every node is connected to a central device called hub or switch. Here, as I have mentioned in this diagram, here hub is the centrally located device, and the data communication takes place through this hub. All the other nodes are connected to the centrally located devices. So sharing of data takes place through the hub, or you can say or the switch. What is hub or switch? I have uploaded in my previous video. You can check that video. Now, what is the advantage? Easy to design and implement, because here if I want to add some extra node, yes, I can add the extra nodes. Okay, so there is no that much difficulty that I can't add a node and all. Next is scalable. Scalable means suppose this hub has a 24 ports and I am attaching 24 devices. Suppose I have 50 devices more, then again I can take a different hub and I can attach those devices in that hub, and again I can establish a connection between these devices. So this is scalable. So the properties would the properties of the device will continue or persistent as if I am connecting the node. Now, if one node failed, then it would not be failure to entire network. So, if this system has any problem, then it will not affect to the entire system, because the data transmission takes place through the common device, that is the central located devices hub. So, if this system failure occurred, then data transmission will as usual takes place in the hub. Now, this is the advantage. What is the disadvantage? Yes, if the hub got failed, then entire network will be failed, because this is the central devices. So if there will be error in this device, then all other node will be affected accordingly. And can't send private message, because whatever message you will send to the hub will send all other devices which has been attached to hub. They will get the data, or they will receive the copy from the hub. So yes, of course, the data you can send any private message through hub. So in ring topology you can send any private message. Also in bus topology you can send any private message, and same in case of star topology. Next concept is our mesh topology. Definition of mesh topology: each node is directly connected with each other. See here in the diagram, every node has a connection with every other node. So we can send directly data to destination machine without going to intermediate machine. So if this machine want to send data to this machine, then it can directly send to this machine. It need not to follow this machine next this machine, no, because every node has a connection with every other node. And what is the advantage? It is very reliable, because every machine has a connection with every other machine. So I need not mention any intermediary link in order to communicate with those machine. It is good topology to send private messages. See, यहाँ पे कोई intermediate path नहीं है, तो हम private message को directly send कर सकते हैं, because ring topology में हमारा clockwise anti clockwise था, bus topology में common cable था. So if this machine wants to send data to this machine, it can send the data. And even if a link, even if a single machine got failure, then also here suppose this is the machine, suppose A wants to send the data to B, then if there is no connection between, if the link get lost, or if the machine has some problem, then also if the link get lost, then also it can send the data to this node, then it will to this node. It can establish this path like this. Now what is the disadvantage? It is difficult to add some new node, because each node has directly connection to another. Suppose I want to add another device, then I have to detach the communication. I will add the device in such a way that I have to link the device to the all other node present in the network, and I have to set up the network accordingly. So you can say this is the disadvantage. Our last concept is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology, combination of different topology is called hybrid topology. As you can see here, I have drawn a diagram. What kind of topology is this? This is bus topology. What kind of topology is this? This is star topology. And what kind of topology is this? This is ring topology. So all combination of these three topology will be the result of hybrid topology. And what is the common advantages and disadvantage of these three topology? That will be also the advantages and disadvantages of hybrid topology. You can see in my video. So this is the concept of hybrid topology. Now another concept which I have forgot to tell you. See, this is the star topology. Now another concept is coming, that is the extended star topology. Means here I have a device, here I have some device, I have attached to the hub. Here also I have another hub where I have attached some devices. Now if I want to establish a connection between to this network, then also I can place here another central located device which can establish a connection between these two topology. So this is known as your extended star topology. Means here is the star topology, here it is also a star topology, and you can establish connection between these two topology by placing a common centrally located device between two topology. This is the extended star topology. This is all about the concept of topology. Thank you.